The year was 2060. The world was in chaos. Global warming and energy resource depletion led to wars and widespread panic. In 2064, after the wars, all countries came together, creating a top-level committee reigning over all countries of the world. Only by lowering national borders could countries think and act on a global scale and not only to benefit themselves. Now, we will zoom into a meeting in 2114, where the Global Environmental Committee is having a meeting with all departments involved. Head of problem areas air, vegetation, water, energy, and food discuss recent events. The food department talks about skyscraper greenhouses, which have been implemented in 90% of larger cities around the globe and are currently providing the cities with 60% of their vegetable and fruit demand. The artificial meat production has increased and local factories are now supplying all continents. The food department has collaborated with vegetation, and significant improvements in forests recovering from previous cutdowns for feeding animals can now be seen. The vegetation department reports that in addition to the collaborations with the food department, major improvements have been done in legislations protecting forests, and special efforts have been done in Brazil, where the forests have been on the verge of extinction. The water department's goal to decrease water use with 30% in both industrial and domestic sector is moving along. The elimination of water usage within the textile coloring industry in Asia has been achieved. Regarding domestic usage of water, a showering quota has been imposed. Dry showers are now being developed. They have previously been used both in space and in Africa, where the water scarcity has long been an issue. The aim is to spread the use of these dry showers all over the world. The Energy Department discusses the latest event in energy production. Since fossil fuel was used up long ago, the world has completely moved to renewable energy. Electricity companies are today being rewarded on the basis of how little energy they use, and consumers are being called prosumers, as they have moved towards creating their own energy. Centralized energy is in decline. The Air Department is reporting that since the 100% ban on automotive emissions imposed 4 decades ago, the quality of the air humans of the world now breathe has just passed the acceptance level suggested by the Global Health Committee. The department credits the electric and maglev technology developments done in recent years. Today, all private and public transportation floats above magnetic road systems. This has eliminated emissions and has given the department an opportunity to control where vehicles go worldwide. At the end of the meeting, the committee came to good conclusions and will continue the hard work to achieve a sustainable world.